As a Crestview homeowner, you understand the importance of maintaining your property, not only to keep it looking great but also to ensure it functions optimally. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is window replacement. Whether you're replacing old windows to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or increase the value of your home, investing in new windows offers numerous benefits that can positively affect your home's comfort, security, and long-term financial value. Here's why window replacement is a smart investment for Crestview homeowners. Enhanced energy efficiency. Crestview experiences a warm climate with hot summers and mild winters, which means your home's energy efficiency is crucial for maintaining comfort and keeping energy bills low. Old windows, especially those with single-pane glass or worn-out seals, often allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. By replacing your windows with modern energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy better insulation and temperature regulation. Look for double-pane windows with low emissivity, glass coatings and argon gas fill, which are specifically designed to minimize heat transfer. These energy-efficient windows will help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, ultimately reducing your energy consumption and lowering your monthly utility bills. Improved comfort and indoor environment. Have you ever noticed that certain rooms in your home feel drafty or too hot during extreme weather conditions? Older windows are a common culprit, as they may have gaps, broken seals, or poor insulation. Window replacement allows you to eliminate these issues, resulting in a more comfortable home. New windows with better seals and insulation create a more consistent indoor temperature, helping to reduce hot spots and cold drafts. Whether you're lounging in your living room or trying to get a good night's sleep, replacing old windows improves overall comfort by creating a more stable and enjoyable indoor environment year-round. Increased curb appeal. Your windows play a significant role in your home's curb appeal, especially when viewed from the street. Over time, windows can become faded, cracked, or outdated, making your home look less appealing. Replacing old, worn-out windows with new, modern styles can instantly refresh your home's exterior and make it look more polished and inviting. Window replacement is a great opportunity to choose new styles or materials that complement the design of your home. Whether you opt for vinyl windows, wood windows, or fiberglass windows, modern window options come in a variety of designs, colors, and finishes to suit your aesthetic preferences. This upgrade can increase your home's visual appeal and create a more welcoming atmosphere. Increased home value. One of the best aspects of window replacement is the potential to increase your home's value. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, replacing old windows can give your property a significant boost in marketability and appeal to potential buyers. Energy-efficient windows are especially attractive to today's homebuyers, who are increasingly looking for ways to reduce energy consumption and lower their utility bills. Not only does new window installation improve the appearance of your home, but it also adds to its long-term value by offering better insulation, security, and modern features. Additionally, replacing old windows is a relatively low-cost home improvement that offers a high return on investment (ROI). The potential to recover a significant portion of the cost when selling your home makes window replacement a financially smart move. Improved security and safety. Old windows may have weak locks or frames that are easier to break into. As a Crestview homeowner, ensuring your home's security is crucial, and window replacement can provide enhanced safety and peace of mind. Modern windows come with built-in security features, such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced glass, and stronger frames, making them more resistant to break-ins. If you're concerned about the safety of your home, replacing your windows with more secure options can offer better protection for your family and property. Additionally, if you have older windows that are difficult to open or close, replacing them can improve functionality and make it easier to escape in case of an emergency, providing an extra layer of safety. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows often require constant maintenance, painting, caulking, and repairing worn-out seals or damaged hardware. This upkeep can be time-consuming and costly. New windows, particularly those made from vinyl or fiberglass, require minimal maintenance. These materials are designed to withstand the elements without the need for regular upkeep, saving you time and money in the long run. New windows also tend to be more durable, offering long-lasting performance with fewer issues. They resist warping, fading, and deterioration, ensuring that your investment will continue to provide value for many years. Environmental benefits. If you're environmentally conscious, window replacement can help reduce your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows help lower the amount of energy your home consumes, which, in turn, reduces your home's overall environmental impact. By choosing windows with energy-efficient features and sustainable materials, you can make your home more eco-friendly while saving on energy costs. Conclusion. Window replacement is a smart investment for Crestview homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency, comfort, security, curb appeal, and overall value. Whether you're updating old windows to save on energy bills, enhancing your home's exterior appearance, or increasing your property's market value, new windows offer a wide range of benefits that make them well worth the investment. If you're considering replacing your windows, work with a trusted local contractor who can guide you through the process and help you choose the right options for your home. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient living space for years to come.